Welcome to the best pick. The best floating shelves are probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to any living space, effortlessly transforming cluttered walls into elegant display areas that showcase your personality and favorite items, all while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic that complements virtually any decor style, from modern to rustic, making them an essential element for both organization and visual appeal in your home. Number 5. Sorbus 24 White Floating Shelves with Invisible Brackets, 2-pack. Showcase your cherished items and add functional storage to any room. These shelves beautifully fill empty wall spaces, enhancing your home, bathroom, or living room decor. Reduce clutter and create the illusion of a larger space, perfect for smaller living areas. They help highlight your decor without taking up valuable floor space. Add character and warmth to any interior, whether modern or traditional. Arrange them at staggering heights or side by side for a clean, streamlined look that complements various decor styles. Use them in the bedroom or bathroom for beauty products, or under a mirror in the entryway. They are perfect as a bookshelf, display shelf, or even a floating nightstand, adapting to your needs. Installation is straightforward with included instructions and hardware. Crafted from engineered faux wood with a smooth matte finish, they feature invisible steel brackets that firmly support up to 22 pounds. What we like? These shelves come in a convenient 2-pack, offering great value and flexibility. If you're looking to enhance multiple rooms or need adaptable storage, these are an excellent choice. Their versatile design fits seamlessly into any decor. What people say. Number 4. Sorbus Floating Shelves, 2-pack Rustic Blue. These rustic floating shelves offer a charming way to display your favorite showpieces. They provide functional storage for various rooms, enhancing your home's aesthetic. Each measures approximately 24 by 9 inches. Free up valuable floor space and reduce clutter with these innovative shelves. They offer unique storage solutions, perfect for compact areas or highlighting your wall decor. Hang them in a studio apartment, living room, or above a mantel. Arrange them at staggering heights for a playful design, or side by side for a sleek, streamlined appearance. They are perfect for filling empty wall space in any room, from your kitchen to your entryway. Use them above a desk, vanity, or between windows. These shelves are incredibly functional, ideal for showcasing trophies, displaying kitchen decor, or holding spices. They adapt beautifully to various needs, from laundry room organization to living room accents. Utilize them as over-toilet storage or for farmhouse decor. Crafted from durable MDF engineered wood with PVC, they feature an invisible bracket for a clean look. Mounting hardware and detailed instructions are included, making assembly straightforward. Each shelf supports up to 22 pounds. What we like? This set features a charming rustic white finish, perfect for specific aesthetics. If you like coastal, farmhouse, or boho decor, these shelves will beautifully complement your style. They are ideal for adding character while maximizing space. What people say. Number 3. Inhabit Union 24 inches White Floating Wall Shelves, set of 2. These large 24-inch shelves provide ample space for displaying your favorite items. They help create a clutter-free environment in any room. Designed with invisible brackets and superior high-density wood, they offer exceptional stability. They can support up to 22 pounds, guaranteed to last. Installation is incredibly simple, requiring only a screwdriver. A step-by-step guide and video ensure they hang perfectly in no time. Their versatile design allows you to showcase pictures, art, plants, and more, enhancing any interior. They fit perfectly in your bathroom, bedroom, nursery, or office. Surprise loved ones with a thoughtful housewarming, wedding, or birthday gift. They will appreciate and use them for years to come. What we like? These shelves boast superior high-density wood, ensuring great stability for your items. If you appreciate straightforward DIY projects, their easy assembly with a video guide makes installation a breeze. They provide a sturdy display without visible hardware. What people say. Number 2. Kiera Gray Stockholm Maine Floating Shelves. Crafted from durable medium-density fiberboard, these shelves offer sturdy support for your items. Yet, they remain incredibly easy to handle and mount, making installation a breeze. Each one can hold up to 5 to 10 pounds. With their sleek and minimalistic design, they add a touch of refined sophistication to any room. They are perfect for enhancing the decor in your bedroom, living room, kitchen, or bathroom. Plus, they help save valuable space. Featuring convenient keyhole slots and all the necessary mounting hardware, these shelves ensure a hassle-free setup. You can quickly and easily enhance your room's decor without any fuss. These floating shelves are ideal for organizing and displaying your favorite trinkets, cherished picture frames, or decorative pieces. They seamlessly blend style with practical utility, perfect for any home or office. You can mount them individually to highlight a single item or group them together to create a dynamic display. They are available in multiple vibrant colors and different pack sizes, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your decor. What we like. This option provides 3 shelves, offering excellent value for creating a cohesive display. If you need to organize lighter items or want to create a gallery wall, their slim profile is ideal. They offer an elegant aesthetic without being bulky. What people say. Number 1. BAOBAB Workshop Wood Floating Shelves, set of 2. Crafted from 100% solid pine, these shelves bring natural beauty to your home. Their warm walnut finish highlights the unique grain and knots, perfect for a clean farmhouse aesthetic. Combining decorative appeal with practical storage, these deep shelves are incredibly versatile. They offer a stylish solution for organizing essentials in any room, from your kitchen to your living room. Installation is a breeze with this set. It comes complete with hidden mounting hardware, a detailed instruction manual, and even a step-by-step video guide to ensure easy wall mounting. Designed for stability, these shelves feature hidden stainless steel brackets crafted from solid metal. They provide strong, secure support, whether mounted on drywall or directly into wood studs. Ideal for organizing, they are perfect for storing bathroom essentials, toiletries, or small household items. Use them to declutter and enhance spaces like your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room. What we like. Crafted from 100% solid pine with a warm walnut finish, these shelves offer a premium feel. If you are looking for natural wood and robust support, their heavy-duty construction is perfect. They provide durable and stylish storage for substantial items. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.